Hello everybody, today we will learn how to create a 2D Python list dynamically. So I'll start my comments and here I'll write how to create a 2D Python list dynamically, and then here you need to create one empty list, and which I have created something like this. Then you can start your for loop for I in range, because you are going to enter 3 elements in this one, so I am putting 0 to 2. Then I am initializing one more empty list, and which I have done something like this. Then again, because see, in the 2D list you will have rows and column both, then again you need to put a nested loop, so that will also move from 0 to 3, means 3 elements. Then after once we have gone inside, after this we need to think here, because as I am trying to get input from user, means dynamically, then I will use my input method, and in the input method I've got the input from user. Now once I have got the input from user, I am supposed to add that to to my list, and for that I have got so many methods of list, and in that one I can use append, and once I have done, it means that has been added. Now this loop will rotate for 3 times, from mlist to go back, mlist to go back, it will go 3 times. All the 3 elements will be added to my mlist. Then what I can do, I can add this whole to my list, which is to be the final one. So here I will put append, and in the append this mlist will be added. Now once this has been done, you can come out of this, and here this will be done, and after this you can print this list. So what you can do, print my 2D list, my 2D list. Then after this we can print this list. Then if you want to print it in the formatted form, then you can write here printing 2D list in tabular format. Then here you can give the command for, again you can run the for loop in the same way. You can go to this, and once it is done you can remove it, and then finally you can print your list with the formatted one. So you can give here list, then rows and columns are required. And after that you will have to use the print command. Then you can use it something like this, and here you need to format it, so you can use this AND argument, and with the help of this you can set it something like this. And once it is done, then your loop is over. So this way your 2D list has been printed. Run it and see the output. So here little bit problem is there. First one is okay, second one, here you need to put one more print statement, so to come out of this, so put it something like this and run it now. Here it is the final one. So it is little bit tricky. You need to have just do little effort on this to understand how the process is working. The main essence of this one is you are creating one list, adding another list to it after every row over. So thank you very much for seeing this. Please, thank you.